Hello friends and family from the premium outlets here on Vineland. Today we're going to go to the character warehouse and just see what's new. I meant to do this vlog a few days ago on Black Friday, but it was absolutely crazy, the traffic here on I-4. And once you come into I-4 over in this direction, like you can see the traffic lined up to come to the outlets. So I avoided it for today. So before we get started, if you'll click that subscribe button and bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would really appreciate it. Also, at the time of the recording of this video, it's 5 p.m. and it's like absolutely crazy because literally the sun is almost setting and it's going to be dark outside soon. But look at how busy the character warehouse, I should say, the premium outlets are right now. On a Friday night, it is hopping. I was really hoping here at the outlet we'd have some more Christmas decor. Looks like we still have the Coach tree. Well, let's head on into the Disney character warehouse. Let's see what new items they have that can be found here. Oh, right off the bat we're greeted with some of the Halloween items here from this past Halloween with the embroidered ears, or with the flannel looking ears I should say. These buckets are absolutely amazing, but check these out. We have that same pattern right here, the sweatshirt. I wonder how much these are. Let me see real quick. These were $54.99, now marked down to $29.99. And I'm also noticing over here, look at this, they have the men's and women's unisex Halloween t-shirt right here from 2021. Oh, these are only $15.99, marked down from $36.99. And it looks like they have extra small and small. They also have some wicked spooky hats right here. These are really cool actually. And these are only $12.99. Also for $19.99, originally $44.99, they have that same pattern again in the Halloween holiday pants right here. These are amazing. And right over here, we have some Walt Disney World totes for Halloween. And these are marked down to $14.99. I absolutely love this t-shirt right here. I'm just here for the candy. How amazing is this? Originally $36.99, now marked down to $15.99. They have a really good selection of the gibbets for the Crocs, originally $17.99, now marked down to $9.99. But they have just a real lot of these in case you're interested in those. So I just came across a sign right here, the light up Mickey Mouse pumpkin, which is right here that we just saw, that actually says trick or treat on the back, is $14.99, originally $24.99. But it looks like they also have the candy bowl. I wonder if I could find that here. And that's $39.99, marked down to $19.99. How adorable is this shirt right here, Pirates of the Caribbean. Ye beware of the pirate red. $24.99, marked down from $36.99. And how adorable is this shirt right here, Trick or Treat, with the Minnie Mouse right there. And these are $15.99, marked down from $26.99. These are little girls, aren't they adorable? And it looks like they have a lot of this Chippendale Nutty Berry Mix, 99 cents. Like, look at these. These look really good, actually. They have a ton of these for only 99 cents. Oh, also here, they have Chippendale Mountain Mix for $1.99. A little bit different than the Nutty Berry Mix. For $24.99, they have this Happy Halloween flannel right here. And on the back is amazing. It says Trick or Treat, Happy Halloween, Walt Disney World. This is originally $64.99. And for little kids, this one right here, this full zip hoodie is $20.99. And the back of it looks like this. It says Walt Disney World 2021 with a hidden Mickey pumpkin right there. That's amazing. Oh, for $29.99, they have this little girl spirit jersey for Halloween. This was originally $49.99. I want to check out the back. Oh, how amazing is this, guys? Happy Halloween with all of the Mickeys and Minnies there for only $30. How do you go wrong? They have a good selection of the Happy Halloween Kids Walt Disney World 2021 tees with that amazing print on the ears. I love this. These are originally $24.99, now only $12.99. For $4.99, they have these Grumpy koozies right here. We have Grumpy by choice. How about no? And these here are originally $14.99. They also have a good assortment of NBA plushes right here. Look at them. We got some Dallas Mavericks here, Milwaukee Bucks, 76ers, and the Nets. Quite a bit of those. But also we have a bunch of the hats here, like this one here. They're New Era, and these ones are Washington Wizards, $31.99. Now marked down to $17.99. But they have a good selection of these as well. Look at this. They even have some framed artwork here. This one here is of Klay Thompson, the 2018 NBA Finals, and these are $11.99, marked down from $24.99. But they do have some various NBA players as well, including some Funko Pops for NBA. Get out! $6.99 a piece now. We have Russell Westbrook, Blake Griffin. Very cool. They have a ton of the Homestead Collection dinner plates right here. These are originally $14.99, marked down to $9.99. I absolutely love these. For $16.99, they have a bunch of dry fit NBA cotton tees right here. They have a really good selection of these actually. Oh, there's the Rockets. I love them. Oh, look at this shirt right here, the Orange Bird Adventureland. This t-shirt is $12.99, originally $34.99. Again, this is new to the Character Warehouse. I really like this one. Also this one right here, yeah. This shirt right here is only $14.99 from $24.99, but you have that iconic pose with Walt holding Mickey's hand. We have the castle there. This one is amazing. Also the one right here, look at this, Main Street USA Disneyland. This one is $12.99, originally $24.99. We have Walt and Mickey there. Get out of town, they have the Let's Boogie Oogie Boogie hoodies right here. These are $45.99, originally $64.99. Didn't even get the Oogie Boogie hood. Isn't that amazing? Looks like they only have size medium at the moment, but that's cool. This one here is also new to the Character Warehouse. We have Boo Scare. Look at Mickey right there. These are $64.99. I've never seen these before. Look at this full zip Mickey windbreaker right here. Originally $59.99, now $30.99. This one is amazing. Like, they are loaded with a bunch of amazing new merchandise. I just made my way over to the women's section right here. They have a brand new hoodie here, 1971 with Mickey, and it says Walt Disney World. These are $24.99, marked down from $49.99. They also have this print right here that I believe is also new to the Character Warehouse. These are $34.99, marked down from $54.99. And yet another new one. We have this Fuchsia Disneyland established 1955 pullover hoodie. This one here is $24.99, marked down from $44.99. Oh, we got another new one. Look at this one. Oh, it also has 27 on the sleeve. And these are women's, $24.99, marked down from $59.99. And here's the back right here with Oswald. And there he is right there. Look at that. What does that say? The Lucky Rabbit. Oh, I really like this women's sweatshirt right here. This one here is $19.99 from $44.99. Another new one. This is really cool. A member of the Mickey Mouse Club. And for $34.99, they also have these Maleficent pullover hoodies here. Like, these are very, very nice. I like these a lot. How fun is this shirt right here? The Force is Strong in My Family. This one's $12.99, originally $24.95. Get out of town. Look at this. They have a Haunted Mansion full button up here for $24.99, originally $59.99. They only have size small though right now in men's, but this is amazing. They also have a women's Haunted Mansion shirt, and these are $19.99 from $36.99. Of course, we have to check out some of the Disney pins. They have 2021 The Muppets Kermit pins right here. These are really cool, and these are only $5.99. But look at these. Make Mine Music. These are new 75th anniversary limited edition. Look at that. The Whale Who Wanted to Sing at the Met. And these are $8.99 from $19.99. Oops, some another new pins here. Look at that. And these are $16.99 from $34.99, and you get all 5 of them. Isn't that amazing? But over here we have the Hunchback of Notre Dame 2021 limited edition 25th anniversary. $8.99 from $19.99. We also have Raya the Last Dragon limited edition for $6.99 from $15.99. Wow, this goes on and on, guys. This is crazy. Look at that. Magical Comics Disney Parks exclusive. And this one here is $8.99 from $19.99. And over here, we have the Black Widow Marvel pins right here for $6.99, marked down from $15.99. And for $6.99, marked down from $15.99, we have a reversible Jack Skellington lanyard right here. This is really, really neat. And also we have the Yacht Club Resort. We got some pins right here. And living the island life. That was seriously such a great trip to the Character Warehouse. Like, I've been waiting for them to get the new Halloween merchandise in, and they finally got it, and a lot of it at some great prices. Actually, in the description box below, I'm also going to link our last video that we did thrift store shopping next to Walt Disney World. You wouldn't believe the resort furniture that we found, and just amazing pictures from Walt Disney World resorts and whatnot, but I'll put that in the description box below. But today's vlog from the Character Warehouse, they were completely loaded up. If you liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.